Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back. It's a little late in the day right now, but I figured I'd start a video at least. Pretty much been daily driving this thing for the last couple days now and been loving it so far. I actually have the car jacked up right now because I want to throw that front spacer onto the rear because the front is kind of catching on the fender. Also been doing a couple little interior things as well. Just got the new floor mats in there. Changed out the shift knob and stuff, but other than that, gonna keep it pretty simple. I definitely want to get a seat and I definitely want to do the hydro e-brake at some point, maybe a new wheel, but other than that, gonna try to keep it simple. Right now I guess I'm gonna swap these spacers onto here and then I might try to take it to go do some donuts or something. Definitely been trying to practice some of that, so let's get these wheels off and swap these spacers out. Now I also lowered the front coilovers the other day. I don't know if you noticed it when I got it, but the front was raised up a lot more. Probably because these wheels were rubbing. But I'm going to swap the spacers out to the back. I think it'll look better that way. Also real quick while we're under here, let you guys check it out. It's honestly pretty clean. We got the new brake lines, got the teen coilovers. I think he said he replaced the upper control arm here. Looks like the tie rod ends and stuff are pretty new too, so definitely happy with this so far. But I'm gonna get this back wheel off here and swap this spacer on. Now I usually don't really like running spacers. I guess if I were to run one, I'd probably run it this size just because it has a lot of meat on the threads to lock into place. Otherwise, you know, I usually try to run without them. But until I get new wheels, I'll just run these. And I only live a mile from my work, so I'm really not driving this thing too much. I'm already looking for a set of decent wheels. I'll honestly probably just run some replicas or something. All right, and just like that, got the front wheel back on. So this is basically what it looks like on this side with the spacer in the rear, and this is kind of the opposite, but definitely want to fill out this rear gap a little better. So I'm going to swap this side out and then we'll probably go over there and try a couple more donuts. Now the other day I was kind of skeptical because it's a really quiet neighborhood, as you can see, and I don't really want to get in trouble, but I'm going to try a couple more. I think we can get away with that. I've also been watching a couple videos on how to get into donuts and drifting and stuff. You know, prior to even buying this car, I've never watched a video, so kind of curious to see if some of those tips help. But let's swap these out and go from there. Also, if you haven't noticed, I did the windshield banner and had to throw a curse sticker on there, so it's looking pretty good. I still have to completely get all the access stuff that was from the livery on there. I started on the hood right here. As you can see, there was a sticker right there and cleaned up pretty well, so I should be able to get a lot of this off. Definitely gonna keep this one on there though. All right, just got this side all done. Actually got the GoPro hooked up as well. So I'm gonna head over here now and see what we can do. Now, obviously I don't have another person to help film, so I'll probably just set this camera up and turn the GoPro on. It's probably only going to be for a couple minutes, honestly, and should be fun though. Yeah, this is it. It's my little circle here. I guess I'm just gonna get out real quick and set the camera up. Not sure how great this will turn out, but better than nothing. So I got this thing set up as best as I could. Just gonna do a few donuts real quick and then we're gonna get out of here. Alright guys, definitely can't be doing that too much here, but that was fun. I feel like you really just got to give it a couple tries until you get into it, but honestly, for the second time ever trying to do that, let's say that was a success. I think my neighbor over there is filming me now. Great. All right, like I said, I really don't want to do that too much in my neighborhood. I just had a neighbor actually filming me, so I don't know if he was just filming it to film it or if he's going to call the cops or what. I guess I'll update you guys in the next one, but quick little update. Let me know what you guys think. I'm stoked. Hopefully you are too, but I'm going to end this video here. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you soon.